Hello and Namaste. Welcome to my channel Meghna Srivastava, your girl. I am Meghna. So today's video is about yoga for back pain. I know you wanted this video. Thank me later. Okay, the most common cause of pain in the back are tight muscles. Tight muscles in the back, pelvis, hips and hamstrings. These tight muscles can cause often by improper alignment, poor postures or sitting or standing for longer hours. The exercises which I am going to tell you today will help you to get relief from your back pain. Practice these exercises and postures mindfully. Mindfully means then don't force your body too much. Listen to your body because ultimately your body is your teacher. So listen to your body and act accordingly. Okay, be very slow and gentle while performing these postures. And before starting this video, I want to give you one tip that if you are sitting for longer hours or you have tight muscles because of some other reasons, do massage your neck and back twice or thrice a week with hot oil. Okay, it is very important to relax your muscles. So this step is also very important. Okay, follow this step and practice these exercises. You will definitely see the results. Okay, so let's start the video now.
We will start with some warm-up by relaxing our neck and shoulders. First is cat-cow pose. In this, your body will move in two directions, cat tilt and cow tilt. For this, come into a tabletop position. Your wrist will be under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale, drop the belly and arch back. Pull the chest forward and look up. As you exhale, round your back and gaze down. Do this for 12 times. Next is low lunge. For this, come into a tabletop position. Step the right foot forward between your hands and align the right knee over the right ankle. Rest the top of your left foot on the ground. Engage your core. Center your hips. For padding, you can use blanket under your knee. As you inhale, bring both the hands onto the thighs. Relax your shoulders and be here for 20 to 30 breaths. This is a powerful hip opener stretch. It will release the tension while taking pressure off the lower back. For transition to other side, bring your hands down and come back to tabletop position and repeat the same with your left leg as well. Next is recline knee twist. For this, lie flat on your back. Use a folded blanket under your head. Keep your right leg straight and bring your left knee closer to your chest. Use your hands for support. Now step the left foot on the right thigh and keep your right hand on the left knee. Foot resting on the ground. Open your left arm like a wing. Touch your shoulders on the ground. Keep your head at center, or you can also gaze your extended arm. Hold this stretch for 20 breaths. This twist is a way to unwind the spine while opening the chest, shoulders and arms. It will release the tension in the lower back, and deep breaths will gently massage your abdominal organs. Now release and come back to center. Relax your body and repeat the same with your right leg as well. Next is seated twist. It is an easy seated twist to unwind tension in the hips, spine and neck. Sit properly, straighten your back. You can also sit on the blanket so that your hips are higher than your knees. This will protect the spine. Now inhale, lengthen your arms up towards the sky. As you exhale, twist to the right, bring the left hand on the right knee and right hand to the ground. Shoulder parallel. Be here for 20 breaths. Make sure the twist is coming from the torso, not the shoulders. Inhale to lengthen and exhale to deepen the twist. Keep the chin parallel with the chest. To release, inhale and come back to the center and exhale and repeat. Next is Apna Asana or reclined knee hug. This is the deeper stretch for the hips and lower back. For this, lie flat on your back and bring your right knee closer to your chest. Toes pointed. Relax your shoulders and be here for 10 to 12 breaths. This is the deeper stretch for the hips and lower back. As you bring your knees closer to your chest, then the soreness of your lower back is released. It is the ideal stretch for releasing tension from too much sitting and standing position. Slowly release the posture and repeat the same with your other leg as well. Next is pigeon pose. For this, come to a tabletop position. Draw the right knee forward and the right foot to the left as you lengthen the left leg back. Spread the fingers wide and keep the wrist under your shoulders. Hips on center. Breathe for 30 seconds. As you exhale, fold down onto the forearms. Use a pillow or a folded blanket if you think is a deeper stretch. Keep your palms flat on the ground or a pillow. Then be here for 30 seconds. Now, stay on forearms. Tuck the left toe and lift your left knee slightly off the ground and stay here for 10 breaths. Now gently place the knee down, untuck your toes and rest the top of your foot on the ground. Now fold a little deeper by bringing your forehead down onto the forearms. Hold the posture for 10 seconds and release. Same, repeat with your other leg as well.
Hey guys, so this is it for today's video. Do practice these exercises daily and follow the proper breathing pattern with every posture. I hope these exercises will give you relief from your back as well as your neck pain. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. See you in my next video. Bye.